My video guide today will help you to get rid of the adware, which is called AssistSample. AssistSample is the application that we discovered today during the research of malware submissions to the VirusTotal database. We found out that AssistSample is the typical adware that shows intrusive advertisements. These advertisements are not related to the sites that people visit. This particular adware is spread through fake Adobe Flash Player installers. In other words, there may be some fake alerts through your Mac browser mentioning that you need to urgently implement some urgent update. But in reality, these are fake updates and you shouldn't trust them. They lead to the installation of adware, browser hijackers, and other potentially unwanted software. So once installed, AssistSample starts displaying the great number of advertisements. And these ads are not safe. They may point you to many deceptive pages in the internet. If you have discovered this AssistSample to be the part of your computer, go to your Finder, go to Applications, find this program, right-click on it, and move it to the trash. Finally, my strong recommendation is that you also research your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button. Install the program, then the application would first of all update its anti-malware database and then click on Start Combo Scan button. Combo Cleaner will begin thoroughly researching and investigating your computer. But first of all, it should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Then, after the anti-malware database has been successfully updated, Combo Cleaner begins scanning, researching, and investigating your system. So then you will see the summary of the threats at the end of the scan. You will be able to know their exact locations, but we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always protected and free of any other malware.